Hello guys. Today is week 5 of our Saga Zero. So let's go ahead and finish it up. Okay. The usual, like the page, retweet a tweet, reply to a tweet. Let's see. So mint your first NFT on Paradigm. So much loving this. So you can just make any positive comment, but make sure it is relating to what we have there. So make any positive comment and make sure it's relating. So I have done the tags, the reply tags. So I'll come here and try to verify it. It's not verified. Verified. Now it says complete mission. So I will need to go and complete this mission. Well, it seems like it's a normal drill though, that in every week challenge there will be an external mission you need to complete to get. So this is the mission we are completing for this week. Pirate Nation faction reward. Sorry. Reply to a tweet. Let's see. Let's go ahead and verify. I have the cabin rule in Pirate Nation Discord, so I'm just going to go ahead and join their Discord group. Okay. What do I want? Mm, I think I am English, and so there's no need making any of these choices because I can't hear any of those languages. So okay, now we are in. So let's do the verification. Okay. I think um I'm in at this level. I think I am in at this level. So let me just make uh great to be here. Let me see what role I have. Cabin power, content creator. Mm, okay, let me see what happens here. Please, you have to just want to be sure. Okay, so I go back. Let me verify the rule and see if cabin power. Yes, okay, cabin power rule. Exactly. Now I am in. So I'll just have to go here, copy my copy my address and paste here and register it. You can see you have completed the mission. You can see it here. So I'll head back to this place and verify completion. I have completed the pirate mission. I will now verify completion here. Then I will mint the Unichain NFT again because last week I think that was what we minted last week. So I don't know if I need to. If you minted last week, the Unichain NFT, if you minted last week, you may not need to mint again. Let me try it out. Yeah, if you minted last week, you don't need to mint another one today or this week unless you feel like to mint again this week. So this is all for week 5 of Saga Zero. We are done with week 5 of Saga Zero. Remember, this Saga Zero episode has 8 weeks. This is week 5 that we just completed. I actually started with week 3. I joined the program in week 3. So I did week 3, week 4. I shared the week 3 video with you, and I've shared week 4 video. Now I'm sharing this week 5 video for you today. So it's going to end in 6 days. It's going to end in 6 days. That should be like 6th of January 2025. Well, should I say happy New Year in advance? Thank you for coming around, and God bless you all.